In today's video, I am going to teach you how to verify your sending email address with Email Octopus. Verifying a sending email address is an important setup step. It helps Email Octopus confirm that you own the address you plan to send from, and it can improve deliverability and trust with email providers. This process only takes a couple of minutes, but you will want to follow along closely and make sure you have access to the inbox for the address you are verifying. First, log into your Email Octopus account and look to the top right of the screen. Click Account, then select Sender Identities. This is the section where Email Octopus manages the addresses that are allowed to send campaigns and automations. On the Sender Identities page, click Add Sender. A small form will appear where you can enter the sending email address you want to use. Type in the email address carefully, since Email Octopus will send a verification message to that exact inbox. Once you are ready, click Add. Now switch over to your email inbox for that address and sign in. If you have multiple tabs open, it can help to keep Email Octopus open in one tab and your inbox in another, so you can move back and forth quickly. In your inbox, look for the verification email from Email Octopus. Open that message and locate the verification link inside. Click the link to confirm ownership of the address. If you do not see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder, and also look in any promotions or filtered tabs your email provider might use. It can also help to wait a moment and then refresh your inbox. After you click the verification link, return to your Email Octopus tab. Go back to the Sender Identities page if needed, then refresh the page in your browser. You should now see the status for that email address changed to verified. Once it shows as verified, you can confidently use that address as a sender in Email Octopus. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.